If the agent or seller will not accept a soft proof of funds letter and require hard proof of funds, I try to meet in the middle following these 4 steps. Step number 1, explain to the agent and or seller that you can't get a full loan approval without first having the contract. Step number 2, put in writing that upon acceptance of the contract, you have 5 to 7 days to provide a hard proof of funds, otherwise the contract is null and void. Step number 3, to give further comfort to the agent or seller, offer to leave the property active so that they continue to get showings and they don't lose any time coming off market. You can also offer to increase your earnest money to help the seller feel more comfortable. Step number 4, once the seller agrees and you have an executed contract, immediately get your contract to your hard money lender and get them to fully approve your deal in writing. Inform them of your contingency and your deadline so that they know the urgency. And step 5, once you get the approval, get that to your seller and remove the proof of funds contingency and move forward with closing, either to buy the deal using hard money or wholesale it to a cash buyer.